येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतंजलिं पाणिनीं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। तो भगवान शिव को क्योंकि हमने कहा अधिगम्य महेश्वरात्, महेश्वर से प्राप्त हुआ, महेश्वर हेतु हैं। So we said that Maheshwara is the hetu, the reason or the cause of getting this vidya of Vyakarana, right? So Yena Akshara Samamnayam, the collection of aksharas and their mystery, that is Vyakarana. So that is known to us because Maharshi Panini went to Maheshwara or Lord Shiva and learned this vidya. Now, what happened is there is a use of the Panchami over there, right? So we have seen the use of Panchami in one of the Adhyayas before, but still, let me just show you that again. So, Panchami. In what sense is it coming? He's learning from something, from somebody, and from that a new system is getting created. So that source is being given Panchami, Adhigamya Maheshwarat. So uh, Panchami is coming in the sense of Hetu, in the sense of Hetu. So we know that in the sense of Hetu, we can use Panchami. Panchami is a permissible usage. Let me show this to you. Yeah, निमित्त अर्थ शब्दों वाले निमित्त हेतु कारण प्रयोजन के साथ प्रायः सभी विभक्तियां होती हैं. तो you could have used anything, but here specifically Panchami for nimitta he has used. So okay, let me, yeah, and then what did he said? कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम तस्मै पाणिनये नमः. उन पाणिनि को प्रणाम. So what is Panini, Divakar ji? This is a question that I have for you. That what kind of shabda is this?
So Panini, what kind? What
As
I mean,
in, is it a
what
sangya
is
or a sarvanam, a proper noun or a pronoun?
Panini is a proper noun.
Proper noun. Now, what is the ending of Panini? It's what kind of anta does it have?
Ikarant.
Ikaranta, right? Ikaranta.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
we have words like Muni. Muni is one of
Yes.
those words. Muni, Panini, they all have this Ikaranta. So Chaturthi,
Yes.
Chaturthi, we are saying we use for Namah, Swaha, Swadha, Swasti. For these we use Chaturthi. We say Agnaye Swaha, right? Or we say uh, something like Vishnave Namaha. So in many of these discussions uh, on pranama mantras and all, you will see that it comes like Shivaya Namaha, we will say, or Vishnave Namaha. So why Shivaya Namaha and not Vishnaya Namaha? Because Vishnave Namaha is coming from Vishnu. Vishnu is what? Ukaranta Pullinga, right? It is becoming
Hmm.
Vishnave, like Gurave Namaha. And Shivaya Namaha, not Shivaye Namaha, because it's Akaranta, like Balakaya. So in the same way, Paninaye Namaha. Kritsnam Vyakaranam Proktam Tasmai. To that Panini ji. So Tasmai is what, Devakar ji? Tasmai is like we have Panini. To that Panini we
Hmm.
are doing Namaskara. So Tasmai is coming from what Pratipadika, and what uh, that Pratipadika can be classified into like proper noun or pronoun. So that's my question to you.
Okay. Tasmai is pronoun. And it is a Pratipadik for Tasmai would be Tat.
Tat. Tat is
Okay.
the Pratipadik. So, Tat
Yes.
again, as we know, has two, three, I mean, not two, three, three actually, genders, right? It can be Saha, Taute, or Sate, Taha, or Tatte, Tani, like that. So, it can have three lingas. So, Tasmai Paninaye Namaha. So, we know Panini Shabda is Punlinga and Tasmai. So, that particular pronoun is getting the Linga Vibhakti and Vachana of the uh, Sangya. So that's the thing. Now let me go into Abhyasa 15 then. Okay, Abhyasa 15. So I will just read out some words now. Read out tell what. Okay. हाँ, कर्तृ is करने वाला, हर्तृ is हरने वाला, धर्तृ is धर्ता, श्रोत्र इस श्रोता, वक्त्र इस वक्ता, गंत्र इस जाने वाला, दृष्टि इस देखने वाला, नेत्र इस नेता, दात्र इस दाता, भोक्तृ इस खाने वाला, गमनम शयनम दानम भाषणम भद्रम कुशलम. So gamanam is a kriya, jana. Shayanam, सोना. दानम, देना. भाषणम, भाषण बोलना. भद्रम, कुशलम. Kushalam is kushal. Now, ga shabdas are the avyaya shabdas. Samaksham, madhye, antah and antare. So samaksham is samne, madhye is बीच में, antah is andar, antare is andar or inside. So how will these words work? So kartru to bhoktru is kartruvat. So we will have to see shabda sankhya 4 for this. So there is a particular pratyaya that is being used for this particular pratyaya is getting uh, used. Krit pratyaya. We say krit, tadhit, and stri. And these are the three broad categorizations of pratyaya. So now a formal definition is not being given, but at least we are getting to know about a particular term. So please keep this in mind. The Krit Pratyaya. And they are saying what kind of pratyayas are the Krit Pratyayas. Krit is a category in which some other pratyayas will come. Like Sri, Ti, A, and An. All of those things. That's the niyama. So, we will come to this part by the way. We will have to do this. But before that, कृत प्रत्यय लगाकर बने हुए शब्दों के कर्ता और कर्म में षष्ठी होती है. How? So, गमनम बालकः. So suppose I say बालकः गच्छति. So the कर्ता here is बालक, right? And you can also say बालक का जाना, बालकस्य गमनम. So this an has come, gamanam. So gamanam he is doing. So now that karta, the actor of this will get shashti. Balakasya shayanam. So we will say something like balaka shete. I'm not going into how shete is coming, but just telling you that shete is sota hai. So balaka shete. And we will say balakasya shayanam. So balak ka sona. So because balak is the karta for that action. Dhanasya danam. So somebody says dhanam dadati, dhan को देता है. So dhan, ramah dhanam dadati. If I say ramah dhanam dadati, so Rama is giving dhana. So Rama is the karta, dhanam is what? Dhanam is the karma. धन पे वो एक्शन हो रहा है, दैट इज द कर्म. एंड दानम, Danam. So we are saying dadati or something like that. Yachati, whatever. So uh, dhanasya danam. So when I say dhanasya danam, it is dhana was the karma in that particular thing, right? So in that particular example, Ramaha dhanam dadati. So that has become shashti now because कर्ता और कर्म दोनों में षष्ठी हो सकती है. सो धनम से बन गया धनस्य दानम. पुस्तकम पठति. इफ आई से कृष्ण, कृष्ण पुस्तकम पठति, सो इट बिकम्स पुस्तकस्य पठनम बिकॉज पुस्तक वाज कर्म कारक. इन द सेम वे कार्यस्य कर्ता कार्यम करोति, तो कार्यम इज द्वितीया कर्म कारक. धनम हरति, धनम इज द्वितीया कर्म कारक. भाषणम सह, or rather we can say tena bhashanam shruyate. So bhashana is karma karaka. So we will say bhashanasya shrota, bhashan ka shrota. So in that way. Then what will be this? This is naranam neta. Neta comes from a dhatu which is I don't exactly remember the dhatu right now for neta. Neta is ni, I know, or nay, sorry. So that becomes nayati. So so we can say naran nayati. Saha naran or neta naran nayati. Lead करता है. He's leading the men or people. And then he's leading people. So people are the karma karaka. So for that naranam. कृते. कृते. कृते is for के लिए. So we say छात्रों के लिए, or for the students we will say छात्रा. छात्राणाम कृते. PhD, for the PhD students we will say शोधत छात्राणाम कृते. और समक्षम, गृहस्य समक्षम, मध्ये अंतः अंतरे वा. So all of those things, for that we will use षष्ठी. दूर और समीपवाची शब्दों के साथ षष्ठी और पंचमी दोनों होती है. सो इधर यू कैन यूज, अगर इफ यू आर सेइंग किसी चीज से दूर, फॉर दैट किसी चीज से एक्स, यू विल हैव टू से either षष्ठी और यू कैन ऑल्सो से पंचमी. सो ग्रामस्य दूरम और ग्रामाद दूरम, both work pretty well. So that way. Now, so Bhadram, so we have seen this word Bhadram. I think no, we haven't seen. So we say something like Bhadram Karnebhi Shrunuyama Devaha, Bhadram Pashermakshabhiryajatraha. So that Bhadram, Acha Huna, Kushalam, same, Sukham also same, Sham also same. They're all basically trying to say Mangalam Bhuyat, Bhadram Bhuyat, Sukham Bhuyat, Sham Bhuyat. So for this किसका हो, किसका मंगल हो, किसका कुशल हो, भद्रम हो, whatever. So for that kiska, that is entity X, we will use either Shashti or we can also go for Chaturthi. That's the basic idea. Now, okay, so we need to look at Kartri, right? That was missing. Kartri, Kartri, Kartri is missing. So we need to look at Kartri. Kartri, right? So Kartri के लिए हाँ 4. This is the कर्ता, कर्तारौ, कर्तारः. So karta is, we will say so there is this in the Mundakopanishad, it comes Brahma Devanam Prathamah Sambhabhuva Vishwasya Karta. He is the creator of the world. Vishwasya Karta, Brahmaji. Then Kartarau also comes somewhere. Kartarau comes in the Mangala Charana of the first invocatory verse of um, of the Ramacharita Yeah. So we will say Varnanam Artha Sanghanam Rasanam Chandasamapi Mangalanam cha Kartarau Vande Vani Vinayakau. So Vande Vani Vinayakau. Vani is Saraswati, Vinayaka is Ganesh ji, and we are using a Dvandva Samasa. So we are saying Itaretara Dvandva. We are using Itaretara Dvandva, and we are saying Vande Vani Vinayakau. So I'm praying. Vande is coming from an Atmanepadi Dhatu. Like we have all, I think we have already seen some examples. If not, we will see at some point of time. So Vande is Vandate, Vandete, Vandante, like that it will work. So Vande is I pray or I bow down. So Vande, I'm doing Vandana to uh, somebody. So we say Vande Mataram. Matra is the word, right? Matra में द्वितीया विभक्ति एक वचन में is Mataram. So I'm praying to the mother. In the same way, uh, karta, kartarau, kartarah, kartaram, kartarau, kartarah. So kartarau is also common here in the dvitiya vibhakti or the uh, karma karaka. So we will say kartaram vande if I'm praying to one. If I'm praying to two, mangalanam cha kartaro. So two doers, two enablers of mangala or auspiciousness. That is Vani and Vinayaka. If I'm praying to two people, right? So we are saying kartarau. So kartarau works for both prathama and dvitiya. So in this case, dvitiya vibhakti we will look at because that is the karma karaka. Karma karaka. Why? Because aham vande. I am doing the vandana. So I am, that aham is the karta. So so Vani and Vinayaka will become, or kartarau will basically be the karma karaka. Now kartra, kartribhyam, kartribhi. This is in the tritiya vibhakti. Kartre, kartribhyam, kartribhyah. Kartuhu, kartribhyam, kartribhyah. Kartuhu, kartro, kartrinam. Kartriri, कर्त्रो कर्तृषु हे कर्तः हे कर्तारौ हे कर्तारः. So this we will have to use now. So we are gradually, if you can, if you want, if you see this, gradually we are moving into a new domain. That is, after Abhyasa 15, maybe 2 3 more Abhyasas, we will actually move into or start approaching something called as Sandhi. So Sandhi comes in Abhyasa 18 itself. So Anuswara Sandhi is coming. So gradually Sandhi will come, and that's at the heart of a lot of Sanskrit literature. So, anyway, now the abhyasas. So, बच्चे का पढ़ना मुझे अच्छा लगता है. That is बच्चे का. बच्चा is a pullinga word. We can use shishu. So, shishu is ukaranta pullinga. Shishu is, shishu I can write here. So, shishu, may this this oo that I see is the key word here. So when you see oo, you have to work it out the Shabda Rupa as Guru. So we will say Shishoho like Guroho. तो किसका पढ़ना अच्छा लगता है? कस्य पठनम रोचते. So we will say Shishoh Pathanam Rochate. And what are they using? They're using Mahyam. Where is this Mahyam coming from? Very important. Mahyam is coming from what? So, if we go back, We have to go back here a little bit. Okay, very difficult to see it here, but let me show it to you in what? In the up, in 1 second. Let me see. Asmat came, right? Asmat. Asmat is Shabda Sankhya 40. Asmat. Hmm. Look at this Mahyam. Mahyam is Chaturthi. So जिसको पसंद आता है, जिसको पसंद आता है उसके लिए चतुर्थी. So anybody who likes something, for that person you have to use chaturthi. So balakasya pathanam, I like it, so for me it will be chaturthi. So mahyam chaturthi, that is why it is coming like that. I don't know, I don't see that prayoga being given in the previous abhyasas, but just keep this in mind, it is coming from that. Now, balakasya gamanam and dhanasya danam. Here, balakah gacchati. So, balakah gacchati is, so balaka is karta, and gamanam gacchati is basically the gamana kriya. So, gamanam, an is the pratyay, or which is a krit pratyay, and balakah was the karta. So, on balaka I will use the षष्ठी विभक्ति. In the same way, धनस्य दानम और कार्यस्य कर्ता, धनस्य हर्ता, दंडस्य धर्ता इत्यादि इत्यादि. So what are they saying? कार्यस्य कर्ता, धनस्य हर्ता, दंडस्य धर्ता, भाषणस्य श्रोता, सत्यस्य वक्ता, ग्रामम गंता, विश्वविद्यालयस्य द्रष्टा, नराणां नेता, धनस्य दाता, भोजनस्य भोक्ता च एतस्मिन् नगरे सन्ति. So they are saying that the karta of a karya, I mean the doer of a work, the stealer of money, the the responsible authority for dand or punishment, the audience for a speech, the speaker of truth, the person going to village, the seer of the vidyalaya, or the school, the leader of the people, the giver of the money, the eater of the food. All of these live in Etasmin Nagare. Etasmin comes from the Pratipadika. Divakarji, what is the Pratipadika for Etasmin?
एतत्
Etat, perfect. Now, Karyasya Kartaram, Dhanasya Hartaram, Cha Atra Anaya. What is Anaya? What Lakara is Anaya? What is the Lakara?
ल-
Huh?
लट लकार आता है.
No, 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 no. So lakara, see, that is a description of the present tense, lat lakara. But if I ask somebody to do something, that is some other lakara. What is that?
Okay, yes, that is लोट
Lot
yeah,
lakara.
लोट लकार. Yes.
Perfect. So वक्तृभ्यः श्रोतृभ्यः नेतृभ्यः च फलानि फलानि देहि. देहि is basically दो, and फलानि सारे
Okay.
फल दो. So what is the vibhakti here? वक्तृभ्यः श्रोतृभ्यः नेतृभ्यः. What is the vibhakti?
पंचमी विभक्ति.
No, not Panchami. It is similar. It may look similar to Panchami, like we say Balaka, ye Balakabhyam, Balakebhya, Balaka, sorry, Balakena Balakabhyam, Balakebhya. or no, sorry, balakena balakabhyam balakaihi. So shrotribhihi it would be in that case if you are using tritiya. Chaturthi mein it becomes shrotribhya. Also in panchami bahuvachanam it becomes shrotribhya. So what, so there are two options, either chaturthi or panchami. So what you said panchami, but I don't think it will be panchami. Why it will be chaturthi in that case, chaturthi bahuvachanam? The key is here.
Bahuvachan because yeah, yes, Bahuvachan because it is saying Falani,
Hmm.
and Chaturthi because mm,
Danarthe Chaturthi had mentioned. Anything that is given to somebody, to that somebody we will use Chaturthi.
Chaturthi. Right.
And Dhatuhu Danam Pashya. Pashya is which lakara.
Pashya again, lot laka.
And what is Dhatu?
Dhatu Danam Pashya.
Think of it.
धातु अर्थात देने वाला.
That is true. That it comes from that. Dhatra. But what is this vibhakti? What is the karaka? What is the vachanam?
Okay. धातु is पंचमी विभक्ति और षष्ठी विभक्ति.
Shashti, right? Data ka daan dekho,
Okay.
right?
Yes, that okay.
So we
हाँ.
will say Dhatuhu Karnasya Danam Pashya, right? Kar,
हम्म.
Data Karna ka daan dekho. Like that we can say, right? So now I will ask you to make two sentences, one and two, and this one also, these three. Use
Okay.
the content given in the previous page to make this, and also some content from the Udaharana Vakya to make this.
Hmm. So the first would be पुत्र का पढ़ना मुझे अच्छा लगता है. So that would be पुत्रोः पुत्रोः पठनं मह्यं रोचते. पुत्रोः पठनं मह्यं
Oh,
रोचते.
no, 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 no. Putra is what? Putroho will work only when if you had a word like putru. If you said putru, that is basically ukaranta punlinga, but that is not the case, right? Putra is what?
Okay, right. I got it. Yes. Uh, Putra is Ram. That would be just wait a minute. Let me पुत्र का पढ़ना. Hmm. पुत- पुत्रम पठनम मह्यम रोचते.
हाँ, पुत्रस्य पठनम मह्यम, right? Mahyam rochate. So what
मह्यम.
is
Yes.
Mahyam rochate? So what is Mahyam? What vibhakti is this? We have just discussed.
मह्यम is चतुर्थी विभक्ति.
Chaturthi vibhakti. Okay, now next second line. बालक का
Hmm.
जाना देखो.
बालक का जाना देखो अर्थात अ, बालकः बालकं गमनं पश्य. बालक बालकः गमनं पश्य.
बालकः. Why बालकः? बालकस्य, right?
बालकस्य गमनं पश्य.
Hmm. बालकस्य. Because in that balak का किसका जाना? So Gamanam is happening
Yes,
to
yes.
Gamanam belongs to somebody, right? So that person to whom it belongs, that Kriya, for that person we will use Shashti, right? We will say Kiska ghar hai. So we will not say Bal. So if I say अहम विश्वविद्यालये आगतवान, मैं विश्वविद्यालय में आया हूँ। जवाहरलाल
हम्म,
नेहरू विश्वविद्यालय अहम आगतवान. So if I come and say, uh, so if somebody asks कस्य विश्वविद्यालय, so if I say Divakarah Vishwavidyalay, that is not the right thing to say, because
right,
uh, it does not indicate that you are a student. That relationship is not getting indicated by the karta. What is Divakarah Vishwavidyalay? Divakarah is just the karta over there, right? So karta and Vishwavidyalay does not make sense. But if I say Divakar ka, that is षष्ठी. वो संबंध जोड़ने के लिए षष्ठी को तो हमको बोलना पड़ेगा. So that's one thing. Now coming to शिष्य का कुशल हो. शिष्य का कुशल हो. What will this be?
हम्म, शिष्य, शिशु, सॉरी, नहीं शिष्य ना, तो शिष्यस्य कुशलम भव.
Bhavatu you can say, or you can say bhuyat, whatever. So that's all fine.
हम्म,
So you can say bhavatu
ओके,
also. So bhuyat, they are saying bhuyat, ove. So you can
भूयात,
use
यस,
bhuyat.
यस,
So shishyasya kushalam
यस,
bhuyat.
भूयात.
Uh, I will do a couple of them. पुस्तकस्य हर्ता तत्र गच्छति, सत्यस्य धर्ता सुखेन जीवति, भाषणस्य श्रोता हसति, धनस्य दातारं धनस्य दातारं इमानि
एक,
पुष्पाणि देहि. Like that you can say. So okay, so now you can just work out the abhyasas accordingly, and that should be fine enough, and that should be good enough. And with this, we have kind of finished off a good portion of the uh, Rachananuvada Kaumudi. 50% is done with Ishvara Anugraha. And let me just move on to the Ramodantam. We had worked out some part of Ramodantam, as in we will keep going back to it again and again, by the way. So we might sometimes go back and look at some words from Balakandam, and again, well, see the Vyakarana, because not all Vyakarana tool required is known to us right now, right? So gradually that will work. Present something else I need to do, right? So Ramodantam. Started that. So we start with the Ayodhya Kanda, right? Atha Ayodhya Kanda. That is the thing. एतस्मिन्नन्तरे गेहं मातुलस्य युधाजितः, प्रययौ भरतः प्रीतः शत्रुघ्नेन समन्वितः. So that's the next verse that has come. So एतस्मिन्नन्तरे गेहं मातुलस्य युधाजितः. What is युधाजितः? Yudhajit is basically the son of a king, Yudhajit, by the way. Or rather, I should say, son of the king of the Kaikeya Raja. I mean, basically the brother of Kaikeyi, Yudhajita. Sorry, yeah. So the brother of Yudhajit, of Kaikeyi. So he is what? He is also Matulaha. So what happened? Prayayav, Bharata, with his brother Shatrughna, with his brother Shatrughnena Samanvitah. Along with his brother, he went to the home, Geham, of his Matula, of his Mamaji. Uh, and what is being said in the meanwhile? So all the while, when these things were happening in Ayodhya, so Balakanda we finished here, right? So with happiness and joy, Bhagwan Rama started living with Devi Sita. That is fine. Now, in the meanwhile, etasmin antare. So always keep this in mind. So ever you, if you write a story or whatever in Sanskrit, you can use this word etasmin antare, something like this. So you can say that he went. So in the meanwhile, etasmin antare geham. So he went where? Bharat, he went to the house of his Matula, Yudhajita. Yudhajitasya, or rather Yudhajitah Gehe. Matulस्य Yudhajitah Gehe. And you can say, sir, Yudhajitah is to Prathama Vibhakti. No, it's not Prathama Vibhakti, it's Shashti. युधाजित तो त में हलंत है, उसके लिए षष्ठी एक वचनम है युधाजितः. युधाजित मातुल. Matula is the qualifier or the Visheshana here. So Matulasya Yudhajitah. So it will take the Linga Vachana and Vibhakti of the Visheshya, that is Yudhajit. So to his house, Bharata went along with Shatrughna. Shatrughnena Samanvitah. Hmm. Now what is happening? ततः प्रकृतिभिः साकं मंत्रयित्वा स भूपतिः. What is प्रकृतिभिः? Can ask what is prakriti? Is it nature here? No. Prakriti here refers to the queens, the ranis. Okay. So the queens, the three queens. And because they are three, they are saying Lata, Lataya, Latabhyam, Latabhi. In that sense, it is using Tritiya Vibhakti. Why? Because Sakam. We know Saha, Sardham, Samam, Sakam. We will use Tritiya Vibhakti. So, उनके साथ what मंत्रणा करके, after having a discussion, who स भूपति अर्थात दशरथ, what did he do? Being happy, mudanvitah, being happy, he started what? The preparations of the Abhisheka of Rama, Ramasya Abhisheka. So, Ramasya Abhisheka. So basically, he started the preparations of Ramasya Abhisheka. Mantharadushitāshaya. So, what is happening here is that Mantharaya, this is a compound word, a samastapada, right? So we will say Mantharaya Dushitah Ashayah Yasyah Sa. That is one whose mind is spoilt by Manthara. So that is Kaikeyi. So such a Kaikeyi whose mind has been spoilt by uh, Manthara. So Manthara Dushitashaya becomes the Visheshana of Kaikeyi now. So that is why they have the same Linga Vibhakti and Vachanam. This is Karta Karaka, Prathama Vibhakti, Ek Vachanam, right? Same thing here as well. But these two words are Strilinga, but you see that there is a difference in the sense that this is Dirgha Ikaranta and this is Akaranta. So, what did she do? Yaya Ache, she asked for. What? And to whom? Mahi Palam. Mahi is Prithvi, Prithvi ke Palak. That is the king basically. To Mahi Palam, she asked uh, Varadvayam Puradattam. The two boons, Varadvayam, that were asked long back. Puradattam, that were given long back. And what kind of a Mahipala is he? So basically, the idea is to indicate that she knows very well that he will not go back on his words. So he is a Satyavadi. He sticks to the truth. So Mahipala and Satya Sangaram. Mahipala and Satya Sangaram. Uh, what does that mean? Sangaraha is pratigya. Sangaraha is pratigya. So we say Satyah Sangaraha Yasya Saha. Satyah Sangaraha Yasya Saha Satya Sangaraha. So one who is true to his word, जो सत्य जिसकी प्रतिज्ञा है. So for such a person, uh, for such a Raja Dasharath, to such a Raja Dasharath, she is asking for the two boons that he had given long back. Vanavasaya Ramasya Rajyaptyai Bharatasya cha Tasya Varadvayam Krichram Manujagye Mahipati. Kricham Anuja, sorry, not, it will not be Kricham, Kricham Anujagye Mahipati. Hmm. So what is happening? राज्याप्त्यै भरतस्य च and vanavasaya ramasya. So we can break this in this way. Tasyaha un. Tasyaha is tat. Tat, right? Tat में there is a visarga for Shashti Vibhakti Strilinga. Tasyaha. That visarga is getting lopa. We will go to this when we look at Sandhi later on in this book and also in the second volume. So tasyaha उसमें एक विभक्त उसमें एक विसर्ग है. That visarga has become invisible. Lopa has happened. We say adarshanam lopaha. So वो विसर्ग गायब हो गया. And now what is happening? Tasyaha varadvayam. What are those varas? Vanavasaya Ramasya Rajyaptyai Bharatasya cha. So these two varas that were given, that were asked for, Anujagye, that is, he permits the Mahipati, Raja Dasharatha. Now comes this one. And what kind of varas they were? They were Krichram varas, very tough, very austere, or rather very tough varas. So, that were asked for. So, Varadvayam. Now, Ramam Tadaiva Kaikeyi Vanavasaya Chadishat Anugyapya Gurun Sarvan Niryayau cha Vanayasaha. So, after this, Kaikeyi, Tada Eva, after that, Kaikeyi, what did she do? Just after this, Tadaiva, just after this, Kaikeyi asked or ordered Rama, so Adishat Ramam Vanavasaya and Niryayau cha Vanayasa. That is Saha. That is, he left for the Vana ke liye, Chaturthi Vibhakti Ekvachanam, Vanaya Saha. How? Anugyapya, after informing whom? Gurun Sarvan, all the elders and the teachers. Where did he go? So what happened after that? Informing after the gurus and teachers? Niryayau Vanayasaha. He left for the Vana. Now, दृष्ट्वा त्वं निर्गतं सीता लक्ष्मणश्चानुजग्मतुः सन्त्यज्य स्वगृहान् सर्वे पौराश्चानुययुर् पौराश्चानुययुर्द्रुतम्. Yes, very interesting. Anuyayurdrutam. Hmm. So, after seeing him, Sita and Lakshmana going out, tam nirgatam. So what is happening after, sorry, after seeing, no, there is a mistake here. Uh, having seen him, Drishtva tvam nirgatam. So, having seen him, having seen Rama going out, Sita and Lakshmana also Anujagmatuhu. Where is this Anujagmatuhu coming? It is like Anujagama, Anujagmatuhu, Anujagmuhu. So Anujagmatuhu is for Dvivachanam. So Sita and Lakshmana both Anujagmatuhu. They also left. And having seen these people, Pauraha, who are the Pauraha? Pure Bhavaha, or sorry, Pure Bhavaha, Pauraha, that is the citizens of Ayodhya, Santyajya Swagrihan Sarve. So they also followed Anuyayuhu. Anuyayuhu. We say Anuyayi, right? Anuyayi is what? Divakarji, how do we translate Anuyayi? What is the meaning of Anuyayi?
Anuyai means follower.
Follower, right? So Anuyayuhu here indicates that these Pauraha, these citizens, Pure Bhavaha, जो पूर्व में रहते हैं, who live in the city of Ayodhya, such citizens of Ayodhya, Pauraha, survey, all of these people, they also followed after doing what? Santajya Swagrihan Sarve. सम्यक त्याज्य स्वगृहान, पूरी तरह से अपना घर बार छोड़ दिया, ऐसा नहीं कि घर छोड़ के 1 घंटे में वापस आ जाएंगे, दे टोटली लेफ्ट. सो सी व्हाट इज द ब्यूटी हियर. संत्यज्य, संत्यज्य, सन इज द उपसर्ग that is coming, the prefix that is coming. And what does that indicate? सम्यक परित्यज्य और सम्यक त्यज्य, पूरी तरह से छोड़ के, to leave completely. It's not like they went and they said, oh no no, I will go, we will go and see them off and then we will come after one hour or something, maybe half an hour, maybe 1 day at max. They totally left it. What did they leave? Swagrihan, they left their own houses. And they went, and not with any regret or something. Like if they had regretted कि छोड़ के जाना पड़ रहा है and whatever, and what would happen, then they would not really want to go, reluctantly go. No, they are not doing that. They are just following these people. Anuyayuhu drutam, that is very quickly they followed all these three people. Yeah. So वञ्चयित्वा तु तान् पौरान् निद्राणान्निशीराघवः बाह्यमानं सुमन्त्रेण रथमारुह्य चागमत. What is happening here? He's saying that vanchayitva, that is after leaving these people, tan pauran, tan is sahataute tam tautan, पुंलिंग, द्वितीया विभक्ति, एक वच बहुवचनम, पौरान सेम बालकान, निद्राणाम निशिराघवः, sorry, nidranan, they were all in sleep. So nidranan, all these people who were in sleep, all these citizens, he left them in the night itself. Nishiraghava, in the night itself, Nishiraghava, Vahyamanam Sumantrena. So he was driven by, in a ratha, by Sumantra. सुमंत्र में देखो तृतीया विभक्ति है, बिकॉज ही इज द इंस्ट्रूमेंट, ही इज ड्राइविंग, राइट? रामा इज नॉट ड्राइविंग द रथ, ही इज ड्राइविंग द रथ. So driven by सुमंत्रेण, तृतीया विभक्ति, that is coming for sadhakatamam karanam. So sumantra is the instrument, he is the driver of the ratha. And what did he do? Ratham aruhya chagamat, he went by standing or by sitting in the ratha, being driven by Sumantra. So that's what uh, I wanted to cover till today. So we have seen 7 verses today. Next week we will try to cover. This is a very short kanda. This is just 20 verses. We will try to cover at least till 15, 16 in the next class, and then try to wrap up. Maybe in the next class we will wrap up this part. Okay. So with this, I end the session for today. येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः. वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनीं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्.